Can you see?
Thank you.
That's what was in that tire. This end was sticking out and it just smashed it flat, whatever it was. But look, it's got some sort of number
Why
on
did he
it.
fix the flat in his tire?
It was a flat. What am I supposed to do?
Damn. That's what was in there, guys. Let's show this camera, look. It's got numbers. That's crazy. That's what was in his tire. Man, it's leaking. Oh yeah, you definitely gonna have to air that back up.
It's probably gonna need two
plugs?
Why is it a number on it? What the heck is it?
I don't know.
That's what I'm
There's
saying.
something
It
come
looks
on,
like
something.
a weight. It looks like a tire weight.
Something.
Yeah, the weight's still on.
It could be somebody else's.
But it looks
Yeah.
Or it ain't gotta be yours.
These,
But look, the
these
one-
is weights off them rims I had. This probably come out my driveway. No, but you know my wife works. She makes windows. This could be something.
Show it to her. See if she recognizes what it might come from. It might be from like a garnishing from a window, like an RV window or something.
Yeah, that's what she make.
Yeah, it could be.
She got to pay for this.
Yeah.
She paid for the car. What are you talking about?
She got to pay for this.
Damn, that's a hella hole. But it melded it, didn't it? Really got tight. There you go. Damn. You might need two of them in there. Oh yeah, that's a ticket.
Front air pump. Air back up.
Yeah.
Turn it off though.
Yeah, that one might get it.
I put air in and let it pressurize before you cut it.
Yeah, because it might need a second one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you got the air pump.
So that's what's going on with here. So he didn't slime it, guys. You see this? I got this camera out too. This camera on camera. But yeah, he did slime it. He got the jack over here. We're gonna turn around and look at this here in a second.
Jeremy wouldn't let me slime it, so.
Yeah, we didn't let him slime it. So he did it right. He put a plug in it at least. That's too good of a tire to slime, man. Look at that. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
And it's for his new car. He don't want to do that. But yeah, right
So
here,
I got, that lady gave me that slime, so I guess I'll give it to the next person that needs one.
No, get rid of that. Don't give it to nobody. Don't give that to nobody.
He's like, don't, get rid of it.
That's like an emergency worst case scenario. Like, yeah.
Well, I better throw it in the trunk then.
Yeah, that's what you do.
Because I'm always on the highway.
That's an emergency kit. I wouldn't do that. If you got time to do this, this is definitely a better route. There's a thing under here too, man. Let's look.
Yeah, I think I need some brakes back here, though.
Yeah. Let's look at them. Let's see. I can't see.
The front one don't look bad.
Damn, that ain't bad. Ain't bad.
But my back rim's always getting dirty before the front one.
Yeah.
So I thought I needed brakes. You alright, Will?
Nah, my leg. Dude, I've been having a sprained ankle.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, remember, it was way too in it.
No, we just finna air it up. Yeah,
Air
I
it
think
up.
that one plug. I appreciate it, Jeremy, for y'all not letting me slime it.
Yeah, it's better if you don't, man.
Because that,
He didn't cut that yet, Will.
yeah, we want to air it up first.
Yeah.
No, but
I put my hood up.
Dude, I just told her about that. I'm like, dude, it's getting cold
but
out
I'm
here.
glad I
Oh.
didn't slime it because it wouldn't have worked.
May not have, no.
Because that fixer flat didn't. You see, the fixer flat was still
would've
leaking
never
out
worked,
past the
dude.
steel.
You put fix it flat in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I took the dang on thing there. I'm like, who put flexi flat in here?
Damn.
Look, when you're on the road and it's low, what I'm supposed to do? I couldn't fix it.
I get it. But at least you didn't slime it. I think that's worse than a fix it flat.
Yeah, that slime, it throws out the balance. of
The
it.
ceiling.
It throws out the seals,
He
the
got the
balance,
bubbles, yeah,
even
right
if
here.
I had to tear it down.
That much on all my other, I just learned something. That was the worst that I was doing. Like, that would work without the seal, but all the rest of them, I gotta have the seal for it to work. That's a brand new tire. It worked better than what it was. At first it was yeah. At first it was as soon as I get home, go outside, it was flat. So that's what made me feel fixed.
Okay. Now I got both cameras. Man, it's kind of difficult, really. It takes a bit of coordination. But you know, it may not last long because you know what I just felt? Raindrop. Thank you very much. Damn, I about tripped over this bag. Look, guys, I'm walking backwards. It's a good thing I look a little bit. Look, he's got his welding stuff out here. All the welding stuff. There's the Kia. It's set back. Over here. They're on the other side of this. I know what I was doing. I was taking pictures, and then my phone died, so it was hard to take any pictures. We have one live viewer, and it's definitely starting to drizzle, faux shizzle out here, guys. We're gonna take another look around, get another look, and as you can see, I've got both cameras out here. I'm double vlogging it, guys. It takes a bit of coordination, I'll be honest. It's really not that simple. It's kind of funny. So, kind of the view of what I have going on. This is kind of unique, a little different. Back there you can see the trap blazer is lit up. Definitely something different you don't see me do very often or very much. But it's cameras. I got both of them. It's starting to drizzle. So everybody's headed for the hills. I'm just walking this way. I don't care. I got my hood up. I'm going to be cold as hell no matter what. So that's what it is. We'll get some shots here of the Blazer. Yeah. I'm really curious to see if this holds there. Look at this. Again, this thing open. Man, they turned it off. I wonder if it's holding there. We'll get back over there in a second, guys. Let's check this out. Dude, that was soft. Ooh, you hear that? Man, look at this. I got both cameras. Is that holding air, Gene?
Yep.
Yeah, the tire is holding air?
Yep.
Yeah. Look at that, look. I got both these cameras, man.
Hey. There we go.
Yeah. Man, it is raining on me, man. For real, for real. Ooh, and the wind is picking up. Ouch. It's definitely getting cold out here, guys. So that's what I got going on. I got two cameras. Both of them going. See, it's recording. But I think we're about to cut out of here, guys. He said it's holding air. We're gonna go over and take a peek. We'll get another look at the box here. We got it up and running. Put it back together. Definitely a work in progress. And he works on it all the time, guys. So this is what we're going on here. We're back to Gene's car here. Let's see what's going on back here, guys. Still on the jack. Damn, man. It's cold, Gene. It's drizzling, man. We out here, man. And I still got, yeah, and I still got two damn cameras. I'm a fool, man. In the rain. You know I gotta look like Forrest Gump, man. Man, this thing's still going. Just rattling. And it's holding air okay, though?
Yep.
Good.
It's about done, man. It only takes 32 PS.
Yeah, 32 pounds. You all right, what?
No, something warm. You know how I think this happened?
How's that? Man.
That piece that was in there,
Uh-huh.
I think when it was low, it probably was pushing on that side.
Yeah. Get the secret out of here, Gene. Oh, yeah, it probably was. Could have busted the belt.
Yep.
Damn.
Because the piece was long.
Yeah, we'll get that nipped off. Look at that right there. Yeah.
Yeah, that looked good.
Yeah, that'd be a lot better. That bulge, though, kind of a little worrisome. I make sure I keep an eye on that, man.
Yeah.
Watch it. If it gets any bigger, or if it starts spreading, I get rid of this tire.
Of course.
Yeah, for real, for real. Man, I got to step up here in the curb before I trip over it. Man. But that's good, though. It's a hell of a lot better than sliming it. Wookie spraying it up.
Ain't nothing.
Man, cut that thing, though. I told you. It would have leaked by now.
Yeah, it ain't leaking. Yep. Good, guys.
Know my work,
Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome, man. You'll be a lot happier with that, I think.
I'm gonna get the thing on the tool bag.
Man, that thing's big too. I seen it. I about tripped over a minute ago. What?
That's one of them. I got 3 other toolboxes in here.
Oh, hell no. Where do you take that big welding thing back in already?
No, actually I do it in one of the cars.
Oh, man. Back there's the box, guys. He's got that going. But it's definitely raining out here. And I still got both these damn cameras. I need to get rid of both of these and get inside, and we're gonna call it a trap for the day, man, for real. Like, we're just gonna go back and hang out. I'm gonna go inside. I'll probably review some more video of what we got coming up. I'm just checking it out, seeing what we got to work with, getting a good idea of what all we did, and we're gonna start getting it out, guys. Man, this thing's so much fun. I like this car a lot, guys. And you know, I don't know about all the color change on it like that, like the Blazer, but I definitely like the red, man. That looks real good, guys, on here. It looks real good. Definitely like the red on this car. The purple goes good with the truck. We're digging that. We still need to get it out to see Amos at Blackout Tinting. So we're going to give shout out to Amos and Blackout Tinting. If you guys are in the area and you want tinted up and you want it done right and you want a good job, check out Blackout Tinting on Facebook. They got a Facebook page. Hit him up, man. Just get him in the messages and he'll get back with you. But it's carbon flex film. It's high quality. It's good stuff, man. That's what's on the Blazer right here. And I love this tint all year, and it does good. It's UV protected. It doesn't burn you to death even when the light's hitting it. It's good. So we got to get the Jag out and get it done up in the spring. We got wheel project coming because I don't think I'm going to leave these wheels on here, guys. We need the all chrome Daytons with the white wall. There he goes in the box. There he goes. We're going to get him rolling in the box. Yeah. Yeah. It looks good, what? Man, there it is. But alright, guys. Let's see, I got both these cameras. This is crazy. All right, guys. I'm getting out of here. It's cold. My hands are freezing. It's raining out here. I'm done for the day. We're going in. We're gonna go review footage, Trap My Ride review, see what we got. I might start posting some today. We'll definitely see. But I'm getting out of here. I'm going to get warmed up. Till then, guys, keep on trapping. If you're here just watching the videos, make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, give it a thumbs up, get in the comments, let me know what you think, and keep on trapping, guys. Keep on trapping.